Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Profit Academy. On this video, I want to teach you guys how to enter a trade properly, so you don't enter the wrong time and end up losing your funds. So I'll be very fast on this video, so just follow me carefully. So let's say somebody gave a signal, or an alpha caller gave out a coin to buy, and the coin has been doing well actually, so they say you should buy the coin. So you don't just rush and buy the coin at that moment, because you might end up losing your money. That's why some people, I made a post some time ago, like somebody said, somebody dropped a coin to buy, and the guy bought the coin and end up losing. Another person bought the coin and end up profiting. So the guy was like, did I do something wrong, or is the coin not good? Or things that the coin is not good. Two things is involved. Maybe the guy entered at the wrong time, the other person entered at the right time. So one person was on profit, one person was on loss. You understand? So I want to teach you how to buy the coin at the right time, so you end up profiting. You don't end up losing your money. So let's use this trade as an example. This is Notcoin. Notcoin was trending some days back. You understand? So let's say you just come across this Notcoin, or somebody say buy Notcoin. Notcoin will do well. You see this long red candle here. I always put this on 1 day to start with. Before you buy a coin, look at the 1 day chart to start with. You see this in here, this 15 minutes candle. All these candles, each candle you see is activity of 15 minutes. You put it 1 hour, let me 1 hour. So these candles are activity of 1 hour, 2 hours, the same thing. So always put it to 1 day. Now you see this long red candle here. This was the day Notcoin was launched, and that was on 16th of May. You can see the date here at the top. So Notcoin pumped here. So whenever I want to buy, whenever I see this pump or a very long candle at 1 day time frame, don't buy at this point, because once you buy here, you end up losing money, because once a coin has pumped, the next thing that will follow is a dump. Yes, you can see this red candle from here. All these red candles are the dumps of the next days. You can see 1, 2, 3. The next 3 days it dump. These 4 days it look like it want to pump back. This great small candle here. The next day it started dumping again till this last one is today activity. It started pumping back because 14%, you can see it was already dumped. You understand? It will still dump for that self. So even if you want to buy this coin, so let's look at the previous 4 hours and see how far. You can see this previous 4 hours. You can see it has been. You can see it has been dumping, reached here, went up back, and still dumped further to here before it started coming up back. So if you want to buy, you don't buy at the top. You wait for it to dump a lot. You understand? Let's say you bought somewhere here now and sell off here. You can see you'd have made some profit. So that is how to buy. So now let's look for another coin again. Let's go to market. You scroll. So these people also was pumping for some days back. You can see. Remember, my chart is on 4 hours. Let me put it on 1 day so you see it very clear. Now you can see people. You can see before it has dumped before. So assuming you bought at this dumped area and leave it for some days, you can see the massive pump it did. Why is this not moving? Okay. Now you can see the massive pump. It pumped to this point, even to this point. You can see 25th. This was today. Even pumped to here. Now you don't buy here or even here. When you want to buy a coin, you wait for it to dump. First of all, you watch this 0.09838 is the all-time high it has done for the past 1 day. In fact, for the past days, because if you scroll back, it has never done that. This is a new all-time high. It has done for days. You can see all this at 0.007355. This one is the highest it has done for some days. So you wait for it. Whenever you see a high like this, you wait for it to come down a lot. You can see it later came down even to this point. This point is from 0.07 to 0.02. So assuming you bought at this region 0.02, and even though you sell somewhere here 0.05, that is good profit for you. You can see that is good profit. So that is how to buy a coin. You don't buy at the top, you buy at the down when it has dumped. So whenever it pumped, even though it pumped half, you make nothing less than 30% of your money. That is how to buy coin. The same thing applies to futures. Let's go to derivative. Let's go to market and choose derivative. The same thing. If you want to enter futures trade, you don't enter whenever the trade has pumped. Let's say this paper now. The paper has been hot for some days now. You can see the paper has already pumped. So whenever if you want to trade this kind of a coin that has pumped, what you do short, you sell. You do sell. You don't do buy because it already pumped. So you just this on one day candle. Remember, I always use one day, so you know activity that's the clear activity of the day. So you place your order somewhere here and put your stop loss above somewhere here and short this coin. Because whenever a coin pump to this kind of height, next thing that follow is a dump. So you short it. When you short it, just use 4 hours. Let's say 4 hours and see what's going on. You can see the past 4 hours it has pumped to here. So you short it whenever, and once you short it, just take your profit somewhere here. You can see, just take your profit somewhere here and you're out of the trade. Because whenever I reach here, it might reverse back up, but definitely once it's at pumped to the highest point of the day, it will definitely reverse. Just somewhere here, take your profit and exit the trade. You understand? Then if you want to enter long positions, you look for a coin that has dumped. Let's look for a coin that has dumped. Let's use 24 hours change and look for a coin. Good. Good. You can see all this massive red. I love red. Because that's when you enter market at the right time. Good. You see this data USDT. Open it. Let's see what's going on. Go to one day and see. Now, this coin is not giving us a clear this, but yesterday this coin pumped to this height yesterday. This 0.0745. That's the highest it's pumped to yesterday. Then today, it's still indecisive to whether go up or come down. You can see 4 hours. On these 4 hours, you can see good. You can see as it pumped here. Assuming you enter this trade from here now, from this next red candle, dumped. That will immediately you see a high pump. The next thing that will follow is a dump. That dump means people are selling off. Anybody that means people bought here and sold here. And once you reach the highest all-time high for the day or for the week, next thing that follow is a massive dump. People start selling. So if you are doing futures, what you do is you short the candle, you short the coin. And see, if you short from up here to here, be on profit. And I'm sure this coin will continue to dump, although it's showing sign of reversal, but continue to dump. You understand? That is how it is. Let's look for another one again. This look USDT. Let's look for it. Let's analyze it. Okay, let's see one day what's going on one day. Okay, one day is still showing it's still decisive whether to go up or come down. Let's see 4 hours. Okay, this highest point is the highest are gone in 4 hours. Now, after this highest point, next thing is coming down, as you can see. and it will definitely come down to somewhere here. So assuming you position your trade somewhere here and you take profit somewhere here, see it's cool. So that's how I trade. So don't ever buy at the top, always buy at the bottom. So whenever they give you a signal or a coin to buy, look at the coin. If it has pumped to a certain level, just wait for a reversal. Wait for a reversal. You can see this one pumped to this point. Next thing that follow was a dump. You understand? Then number two, the way to confirm all these things is how to enter the trade properly is to make use of indicators. So what are the two indicators you use? Number one, use RSI, and number two, Bollinger Band. So how do you make use of RSI and Bollinger Band? It's very simple. If you're on Bybit or any app, just go to your settings, click here, click indicators, come here to look for RSI, this relative strength index, RSI. Let me go back so it's very clear. Relative strength index, click on it. You understand? You can see. Then this one that is written before your own, if your own will be on 12, your own normally to be on 12. This the middle one will be on 12. So just switch it to 14. You click on confirm, then go back. So how do you buy properly or sell with the RS indicator? So put your chart to 4 hours or 1 day. Let's start with 1 day. If you are doing long trade, start with 1 day. So on 1 day trade, you see RSI down here. See RSI here. See RSI here. Once the RSI is below 30, you should buy. But once the RSI is above 70 and 75, you should sell when you are doing futures. You understand? Spot, you can only buy, you cannot sell on spot. You cannot sell trade on spot, only buy. When you buy, you get profit and you sell. But on futures, you can either long, meaning buy, or short, meaning sell. That is this long and short. But trade here, you can still trade here. On trade, you can only buy and sell. This one you must have the asset down already before you can take an action to sell. You understand? So now let's look. So now good. See these people now. If you want to, you cannot buy these people on trade. If you want to trade these people now, you can do it on futures. Let's go to derivative markets, derivative, and then look for that people USDT. Or come, let's just search for people here. People. Yes, people. Good. You can see our RSI here is showing 77, 76 now. That means this market is good to short. You understand? See 77. You can see it has pumped to the all time for the day 2.09482. You can see it here. So now, after the pump, next thing that flows is a dump. So you just trade this market from here. Put your stop loss somewhere here. Put your stop loss somewhere here. And trade this market. Trade it to somewhere. Let's use 4 hours and see. You can see on 4 hours, it has already, the first 4 hours has already built sell. The second 4 hours has already built sell. The third 4 hours is coming. So if you don't want to enter at this point, when your RSI, this you can see on 4 hours candle, your RSI is showing 54. But this, if one, this will be a long trade, because before you make profit from this trade, it's going to be a long trade because you have to collect your profit somewhere here to go to somewhere here. Understand? So once you put your take profit somewhere here, you put your stop loss somewhere here, and you throw it down. That is how you close your trade. You understand? So that's it for this video. Okay, let me show you a pop card. This is trade I'm already on already. Let's see what's going on this trade. You can see currently this is the live trade I'm on already. You can see this. I was watching this trade. This trade pumped to here. It did the all-time high for today, 4419. So I know that next thing to come down. So I'm following it gradually, as you can see. I'm following the trade, and I'll take profit somewhere here. 3.8. As you can see, I'm already on profit already. I'm already on profit. So that's how you enter your trade and you exit your trade. So thank you for being with me. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.